Now that you've learned the look for keywords or key phrases technique and the look for logical results technique of the divide and conquer principle, let's look at another technique called look for similarities or differences in this Learning Scriptures Made Easy series. To learn more scriptures effectively, look for what the verse has in common or similarities. In this example, the phrase is, whatsoever things are, and if there be any. Then look for keywords and phrases not in common or differences. In this example, true, honest, just, pure, lovely, of good report, virtue, and praise. Then collapse the verse into an easy-to-remember sentence-like format. Then when you want to quote this verse, expand this sentence-like format in your mind by keying off of similarities and differences of keywords and phrases. Finally, brethren, whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things of good report, if there be any virtue, and if there be any praise, think on these things. In an upcoming principle called the convenient principle, you will learn to do whatever it takes to make learning scriptures fun and easy. For example, instead of making a sentence-like format, you can make a real sentence to help you better remember the keywords and phrases. For example, you could make the following sentence. Finally, brethren, whatsoever things are true and honest will be just pure and lovely, and of a good report. If there be any virtue and praise, think of these things. For more details on how these techniques are done, click the link below. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe, like, share, and notification buttons, and leave a comment to help promote this channel. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.